Hello, I'm Shivam Thakre. I am a student of Masai. My student code is FS40360139. So the basic questioning about my project, which is give answer and because of I created project solo, so I answer him myself and I give answer of that. So the first question is, what is the scope of that project and why did I choose that project? So first of all, the scope of project I want to say, there is multiple things like a human want to do, in which there is a going anywhere, going a trip with friends, going a trip with their cousins or friends, I want to say anyone. So they want to book a scenario where everything they needed, which is settled before they will going there. So this app manage everything, and this app is useful to uh, give expense manager, like where to want to go, and other things like how much expend there, how much which travel route they want, which hotel or which villa they want to stay, like that thing. It describe and it give facilities like that. The main thing which where I choose that project, because it is demanding in that time, because that time is very stressful time and everyone want to go anywhere and release stress. So that time it is very useful or very beneficial for many users or many persons. So I created that project. So the second question is, can you walk me through the most challenging technical problem encounter uh, in project and how I resolved it? So the most challenging problem is like that I suffered from to creating that project, because solo created the project. So in backend part, like fetching data in sign in login, uh, so and fetching data for uh, like there is multiple flight ticket, buses, cabs. So this data I want to fetch in my project, and I used it, and I learn concept again, and I used and I solved. So what specific technology I used? So I used React and CSS also, and I completely used React based project, single page. So I use routing there, navigation, or I can say many concept of React, and I also use Firebase for backend database. So that's main technology I used. So in this creating project, I encounter any performance issue. So yes, I encounter many issues like fetching data from Firebase and performance issue, I can say. Yes, I didn't created project like I want to create, but I definitely improve it. So can you explain the situation where you had to make a critical decision to impact the project direction? Yes. First, I want to create project like in current time there are multiple projects, so I want to do like that, but I didn't do, and I choose my way to create everything, and because of that I didn't complete whole project, but I sufficiently completed. So that's my decision. So how did I manage version control and collaboration in our project? So I used GitHub for version control. So in I learned basic Git commands, and I used in VS Code, and I pushed the project to GitHub, and I uploaded my project, deploy my project to Netlify. So were there any trades off you had to make while working on the project? How did prioritize? So in the situation of priorities, I prefer that I created first login sign up page, and then I created dashboard, and then I created home page. And after that, I worked on database, APIs, like that. Describe a piece of feedback you receive on your project, and how did you implement. So in feedback zone, I received few friends feedback, where they give me feedback like I have to improve. First of all, I have to improve many things, like I have to add many data with API. I have to improve UI, and I have to improve backend parts. So uh, what would you do differently if you were start this project over again? So if I start a project again, so I change my UI first of all, and change type of accessing API and backend part. So the second scenarios, can you explain the architecture of your project? What was it designed this way? So I suggest that I first of all created login sign up page. Then that after that I created dashboard. Then I created home page and page APIs. Work on backend part, page data from database. So scalability and security. So yes, for scalability, I used database like Firebase to scalable, to fetching data, to rely flexibility, and security. I used security to authentication using Firebase. So that's enough for me. So that's it.